So I've got some 35-inch tires on my 2022 Toyota Tundra, and I'm going to show you what to do to gain a little bit of clearance. So I've got a 0 offset on 17s, and this really makes the rubbing worse than if you were to use factory tires or a 0 or a positive offset. So right inside here, that's our just a little body stop, and what you can do is cut that off with a Sawzall, which we're going to do next. But the main thing is getting this fender liner pulled back. So inside there is a spacer. Looks just like this, and I'm going to show you how to remove it over on the other side. All you're going to need for this is a 10 mil and a 12 mil, and then afterwards we're going to drill a hole in the frame so we can put in a little push pin clip, and that's what's going to hold this thing back. Alright, so you can see in here on that body mount where the dust is kind of rubbed off. That's the reason why you got to chop that thing. Next up, I'm going to remove these 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can pull this up and we'll be able to get to that little spacer. One more here. Sorry about that one. Okay, then we can switch to our 12 deep socket on a 3-inch extension. And we're going to go inside this little bracket here. Hope you can see that, but you honestly probably can't. Inside here is where this little block is. There are just two 12mm bolts down inside there. I'm going to show you these bolts with my cell phone camera. Right inside there. Alright, so once this thing's it'll literally just fall right out. So there it is. Okay, next up, we've got to mark a hole that we're going to drill through this splash guard and into the frame. And it's going to be right down here. You can either put it down low or you can put it here up high to pin this thing back. I'm going to put mine up high. I'm going to stick it right about there. Hey, how are you? Thank you. Okay, so I used a 7/32 drill bit. You'll use whatever drill bit size matches your push pins though. Once you get that hole drilled, just stick that push pin in there and you're good to go. I picked a drill bit that was just barely big enough, so I had to kind of smash that thing. So past that, that's all there is to it. You're gonna have one of these little pieces of hardware left over because one went into that little body spacer there. And since we're no longer using it, we'll just put it to the side. Okay, so next up we'll take it to the shop and we'll chop that piece off there. That'll do it.